Thank you very much for your interest in our Deep Learning Bootcamp. If you want to learn more about neural networks and deep learning, you're in the right place. My name is Sebastian. I'm the founder of STATWORX, a consulting company for data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence from Frankfurt, Germany. The Deep Learning Bootcamp is part of our own academy where we train employees from large companies in the fields of data science, machine learning and AI. So, what's the Deep Learning Bootcamp about? Within 5 days you will learn the basics as well as advanced techniques for training your own neural networks and deep learning models. Day 1, fundamental concepts of neural networks and deep learning models. Day 2, programming in TensorFlow and Keras. Day 3, image recognition and object detection. Day 4, sequence modeling. Day 5, advanced topics. If you want to join the Deep Learning Bootcamp, just fill out the form on the website and we will contact you as soon as possible. See you at the bootcamp.